What I want to do in this video is cover how to transfer a drawing from one paper to another to do a graphite transfer. So what you want to do is we want to take the back of the image, and I like to use these ebony pencils. Got a very nice big lead on there through the graphite rod, so it makes really quick work of it. I will outline kind of the shape of where their image is for them. It's easy to see on this one because it's a computer printout, but sometimes with a drawing I kind of hold it up and look underneath one of the lights and hold it up and do it. And then I want to cover this area, so I'll demonstrate to the students. I'll show them that what we're trying to do is lay down graphite in this shape. I'll do about that much, say, hey, do it like this, hand them the pencil, and then they get to work filling the rest of it in. Another nice thing about this pencil is you don't have to try and do little lines like this. You can lay it down on its side. Flash forward to the finished product. Boom! Okay, so now I've got graphite all over the back of my image. I'm gonna line this bad boy up where I want it. So now I've got it taped in place. I only tape it on the one side so that I can flip it. So that when you start transferring, you want to be able to check and make sure you're finished. I usually forget something. I'll forget the little highlights or the stripes. Your mechanical pencil is good. A ballpoint pen will work. It's just a matter of tracing it. So just to show you how that's working, see, it's transferred that part of the hat and just spit it out at the end when it's done. Okay, so I'm just checking to make sure everything's there. So I can take off my rough draft. So that's how you do the graphite transfer.